Now, let's go and check if we've got any cost at the beginning of the year for building. Ne? We must go back to the information and then check from the list. We normally find this from the list. Do we have any building at the beginning? The cost, or yes, they give us. How much is it? 186.
Yeah, 186.
Yes. So can you see? Remember, I told you that if they give you something like this, it means this is the end of the period, né? Because they didn't put a date next to it. Né?
Yeah.
But I will still say what I had at the end, I still had at the beginning, because there's nothing that was bought as new for building.
Okay.
So meaning this building was also at the beginning, and it didn't change until the end of the year. So I'm going to use this as the beginning, 186,000.
Because it didn't change. Okay.
Yes, unless if on the information they told me that I bought a new building and
Okay.
it was included in that amount. I wouldn't use that amount. I was supposed to minus the one that I included, and so that I can know. Because for now, I need the only one that I started with. I don't know if it makes sense or not.
If they said they added a new one, we would have to
Minus it before, because the new one was added during the period. So I will have to minus it so that I can know how much was it at the beginning before they bought a new one.
Also, I have to minus the cost of the new depreciation from the old one.
No, I'm not talking about depreciation. I'm talking about the cost. Remember, I'm dealing with the cost now of the asset.
Oh, so here on
the
the trial balances, they give us the cost of like two of the buildings together.
Do you have two buildings?
No. Since you're saying that if it was a case where we had bought a new one.
Let me do this. Ne? What I'm talking about, I'm going to talk about when I do the vehicle, because the vehicle has got something that I'm talking about. So
Okay.
this one, building, is there nothing, no new building was bought, no building, so we don't have to worry. Let's go to the vehicle now so that I can explain better. Can you see we've got the balance for the vehicle? How much?
140.
Was this 140 at the beginning or at the end?
At the end.
So can I still use it like the building at the beginning?
Yeah.
No, I can't. Check there's a statement, I think number 8. Read number 8.
On WhatsApp.
Number 8. Second information on number 8. What are they saying?
The second
I want you to read it so that I can understand it.
Included in the balance of vehicles is a second-hand vehicle that was purchased for 20,000 on November.
Stop there. So meaning this 20,000 is already added. The question is was this 20,000 at the beginning of the period?
No.
No, so I can't put that as a balance. A balance was only 120 at the beginning, so I'm going to record 120. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I do.
So the balance here, the cost at the beginning was only 120. Because that 140 includes 20, which is new. So I'm not looking for new. I'm still at the beginning. So this is the amount before I started buying at the beginning. Remember, I'm still at the beginning here.
Yeah.
That's what I meant. Now we can go to the accumulated. So we know that buildings, we don't, do we have any accumulated from the previous year for buildings? Given to us?
Accumulated depreciation in the beginning we have on vehicles, which is.
So we don't have anything for buildings.
Oh, buildings is 36,000. Sorry.
And then for the vehicle,
it's 40,000.
And And now we want the carrying value, the value. So you just have to say one cost minus what? Accumulated. And we get the values.
186. Uh, 182,400 for buildings.
Okay. For vehicles?
It's going to be just 80,000.
80,000.
Mm.
So now you dealt with the one at the beginning there.
Mm.
Okay, sorry, if we forgot the totals. We must put that. We must add the 2 here. Everything must be added that way. That way.
Okay. 400 plus. Mm. For the total of carrying value at the beginning is 262,400.
100. Okay.
And then for the cost, it's 198,000.
Okay.
And then for the accumulated depreciation, 76,000.
Okay. Now we must go to what you call movements during the year.
All right.
Okay, movements during the year, meaning we check for any new assets which were sold during the year or any asset that has been bought during the year. So let's start with additions. I'm not sure if they also start with, but I think additions is the one that we normally start with. Additions and cost. So this just means that did we buy anything during the period? Did we buy any new building?
Yeah, no, we didn't.
No, we didn't. So I'm gonna put 0 there. But did you buy any vehicle, new vehicle during the year?
Yeah,
Okay. How much was it?
20,000.
3,000. Um, do we? I'm not sure the order, but I'm just gonna put it the way I normally. Do you have any disposal during the year?
No, is disposal like throwing away?
No, no, selling it.
Oh, no.
No, ne? Okay. In future, you can have it, but it's okay. I'm just gonna write it like that. Do we have any depreciations for the year?
Yes.
How much was for the building?
3,720.
3,720. Just want to put it in brackets. What about the vehicles?
Here we're going to add the depreciation on the 2 vehicles.
Yes.
17,333.
Thank you. And the total for everything, one that we put under profit and loss.
21,053.
And 21,073.
53.
Thank you. You see? So now we must find the carrying value at the end of the period. Okay, we're going to do the same thing that we did on top. We will still need the costs. And we still need accumulated depreciation. Okay. I don't know according to your format, usually they can, some formats, what they do, you can also find the total for this year on top here, like here. Like they add everything here, they put the totals there. But what we normally do, we don't do that. How do you do that? Do they normally want you to put something in?
No, they don't.
Yeah, so that's the common way of doing it. Okay, now we want to find the carrying value. So everything at the end depends on what happened before. So what we do, we start with the cost, ne? Are we together? Are you still there?
Yes, I'm still here.
Okay. So the cost of the building at the beginning was 186. We didn't buy any new one. We didn't sell any one. So the cost is how much? 186. Did you see what I did? Here's what you need to do. You must say the cost at the beginning. You add the new asset that you bought. You less the one that you sold. But nothing has happened. There are no movements forward for the cost. So what I started with, I ended with. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Let's do the same for vehicles. Remember, I'm still focusing on the cost for now. Don't worry about the other things. The cost was how much?
120,000. 120,000.
Hey, you are tired, ne?
Yeah,
No,
120,000.
you have been working very hard. Yeah, 120,000, and we bought a new one for how much?
20,000.
At the end, we have got how much?
140,000.
Now these things are balancing out. We can also find the total here.
So we use the cost of 100 and the totals. It's going to be the total of the cost, right?
Yeah.
It is 3 376,000. 376,000. Yeah.
So
And will the accumulated depreciation be accumulated depreciation plus depreciation?
yes, you're correct. The same way I dealt with the cost, do the same.
Oh, okay.
So accumulated at the beginning plus the one during the year.
Yeah. It's going to be 39,720.
$89,720.
720.
What about the other ones for the other columns?
It's going to be for vehicles. It's 57,333.
7,333.
Mm.
Okay. The total?
And 97,053.
Like that, no?
Yeah.
Yes. And thereafter, this. Now if we can find the carrying value at the end, same way as we did from the beginning, we take the cost here, we minus accumulated. Cost minus accumulated, we put the answers
Okay.
here. Yes.
So the equipment is
Equipment.
146,280.
You meant building, not equipment.
Oh yeah, building. Sorry.
Okay. Come again.
It's 146,280.
Yeah. 180. Okay. What about the other one?
For
140 minus 50.
vehicles, it's going to be it's going to be 82,667.
Total.
Sorry?
The total.
The total is going to be
We can add the two amounts together. We can still do the same thing.
278,947.
So this is the note. As you can see, the note is a bit long. This is the
Mm,
biggest note. Can you see now?
mm.
All along, we've been trying to calculate this amount.
Oh,
This is the amount that is going to go to the statement of financial position.
okay.
So in line with the PPE there, I'm going to go there. We're going to have 278.
947.
278,947. That's the note that we calculated there.
Mm.
So yeah, this note is the biggest one. Others notes are very short.
Oh, all right. Okay. So other notes, I should just know their formulas.
Yeah, just know, yeah, how they, what you need to know. Like when they say trade in other receivables, you must know what to put.
Uh,
Um, yes. So I don't know which we
okay.
can have. I don't know. Maybe I don't know.
No,
Yeah,
I
but
think yeah.
if you do, now just send it via, let's say via WhatsApp, and then or via email, and then I'll just correct you, and then I'll send you back if you
Yeah,
want.
I'll do that.
Feel like, because I don't think that it will need a full session for that.
Yeah, no. Okay, I
Mm.
see. Well,
Yeah.
thank you so much, sir. You've been of great help. You don't